ourselves. My name is Gabriel.
My name is Fizik.
My name is Prima.
My name is Indriani.
And our friend Regina, which is currently using.
So first, I want to present about resource management. Our project is content for 5 members. Prima as a leader and a programmer, Indri and Gina as a electrical, me and Vinci as a mechanical. So we use equipment used is laptop, multimeter, soldering iron, screwdriver, breadboard, scissors, ruler, dragon, and hardboard cutter. So we have time resource is 14 weeks to completion about our project. The physical resource is electronics laboratory and project workspace. And the information resource is Arduino documentation, online tutorials, and project design resource. And next is a background about our project. The background about our project is an automated delivery robot built to facilitate and the transportation of goods within Braille. This robot uses line follower technology with infrared sensor to accurately and consistently follow predetermined path backline throughout the lab area. The robot is equipped with a container to carry electronic components, tools, or robotics equipment from one workstation to another autonomously. With its line-based navigation capability, the robot can operate with high precision in the busy lab environment, avoid board errors, and provide an efficient delivery solution to support practical sessions and research activities in Braille. So next presentation will be presented by Vinci.
So next, I'm gonna explain our design, which we have first is the draft design on CAD. This is our first design, so it's not the design that is completed yet. It is the final design here. And this is our final design on CAD. The previous design, which is the draft design, used 4 DC motors and 4 wheels, which we lessen into 2 DC motors and 2 wheels to lessen our budget. And there is a motor driver, breadboard, Arduino Uno, and ultrasonic sensors, and 2 caster wheel. This is the front view, perspective view, and back view. Next is our final design, which we made, the benchmark design, which is the same as the final design on CAD. Next is our problem with the mechanical design, which is the first problem is we had to calculate the exact length and width, which is about the half of the A4 acrylic, which is 210 millimeters and 148.5 millimeters. And next problem is we had the difficulty to match the components. For example, we had to match the lid into the box for our robot to store our components to deliver. Next problem is we had the difficulty of finding a suitable design. So first we had to sketch it on our books to find the suitable design and find the name for our robot and the mechanical of the lid for the box of our delivery robot.
Okay, this is our predicament for the smart delivery robot. We have 10 phases. First, survey and looking for the idea. 2, presentation of each member idea. 3, discussion and consultation. 4, final idea presentation. 6, component and design. 6, circuit and program. 7, progress and presentation. 8, implementation. 9, implementation. 10, implementation and benchmark. Next is the budget. Here are the first for the item. First, Arduino Uno R3, 1 piece. The price is 125,000. 2 motor driver Alt21989, 1 piece, 50 48,008 cluster bill to police 14,000. Total budget is 286,900.
On motor driver, in one is connected to Arduino analog in 0. In 2 is connected to analog in 1. In 3 is connected to analog in 2. In 4 is connected to analog in 3. ENA is connected to digital pin 9. ENB is connected to digital pin 10. On the 5-channel AF sensor, sensor 1 is connected to Arduino Uno digital pin 6. Sensor 2 is connected to Arduino digital pin 5. Sensor 3 is connected to Arduino digital pin 4. Sensor 4 is connected to Arduino digital pin 3. Sensor 5 is connected to Arduino digital pin 2. Push button connected to project board and digital pin Arduino digital pin 11. The problem we encountered in wiring is there are issues we encountered with wiring components like short circuit and broken cables.
So the next I will explain the program. At the beginning of the code, we define all the pins, starting from the light sensor, the motor driver, and also the ultrasonic sensor. Then in the setup function, all pins are set up input or output, and serial communication is started off the battery. So overall, the program controls two main systems, the line following system and the obstacle avoidance system. The flow chart start with start and then initialize the component. If push button press, if yes, using IR sensor and operational sensor. If no, robot is not moving. Robot start from the line following logic. IF S2 select robot and robot move forward. If S2 black, turn left. If S4 black, turn right. If there are obstacle in front 5 cm, if yes, then avoid obstacle function, turn right, move forward, turn left, and set line again. If no, robot will continue the line follower. If reach the checkpoint or table, if yes, stop or delay 3 seconds and continue. If no, repeat reading sensor. If yes, turn back and return to store. If arrived at store, if no, robot continue following line. If yes, robot stop converting. So this result of my is our team VBL project. So that's all the presentation from Mekaman. Thank you for the attention.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.